Sai Ram. Welcome all of you to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Okay. Now we are doing the most important chapter, that is silent letter continuation. We have already finished A to D. E also we have finished. G also we are doing now. G and H. Yes, let us see. So, the rule 1 says G is silent if the word begins with GN. So, there are only a few words, gna, G-N-A-W, gna, and gnome, gnome, na and gnome. Okay. So, G-N-A-W, na, and G-N-O-M-E, gnome. Okay. Rule 2, G is silent if the word ends with GN. Here, if the word begins with GN, G is silent. Now, here rule 2, G is silent if the word ends with GN. So, be very careful because this is very confusing. Okay. Campaign. See, we are not pronouncing G here. Campaign. C-A-M-P-A-I-G-N. Campaign. Foreign, F-O-R-E-I-G-N, foreign. Rain, R-E-I-G-N, rain. Sign, S-I-G-N, sign. Design, D-E-S-I-G-N, design. See, we are not pronouncing G because it is G-N. When the word ends with G-N, we don't pronounce G. Okay? Understood well? Yes, very good. Now, the third rule says if GN is in the middle of the word, we pronounce the G. Yes, this is very easy, right? Yes. Magnificent, magnificent, M-A-G-N-I-F-I-C-E-N-T, magnificent. Then signature, S-I-G, see, it is in the middle, so sig, we are pronouncing the G. Signature, S-I-G-N-A-T-U-R-E, signature. Ignore, I-G-N-O-R-E, ignore. Then we have rule 4. G is silent when G-H is usually after the vowel sound. So, G is silent when G-H is usually after the vowel sound. Now, what is it? Yes. Now, U is, what is the U? Vowel sound. Okay. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. So, we don't, because it is following the vowel sound, we are not, yes, we are not pronouncing the G. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. And way, W-E-I-G-H, way. Okay. Yes. Now, rules. What are the rules when we do the letter H? What are the silent letters? Now, rule 1. H is silent when the word begins with G-H. Ghosh, G-H-O-S-H, Ghosh. Okay. Gherkin, G-H-E-R-K-I-N. Understood? Now, rule 2. If word starts with W-H, H is silent. Now, example, whale, when, then while, why and what. Okay. Then H is silent after C. Chemistry, mechanic, school, stomach, technology. Okay. Now, you have to spell and see here where H is silent. Okay. Now, the rule 4. Sometimes when CH is pronounced as CH, chair. Okay. Or SH, S in chef, sh and ch. Okay. Now, let us see. Sometimes word starts with a silent H. Example, honor, our, honest and air. Okay. Yes. Exception, house, hut, hat, help, haste, etc. Okay. Now we will do a memory game, quick memory game. What rule is followed for G in daughter, night and thought? Come on, who will tell me? Yes, very good. Yes, you're so attentive. G is silent when GH is usually after the vowel sound, after. So, GH, U is a vowel sound. So, GH is silent, G is silent, okay. Give examples when H is silent after C. Yes, who will tell me? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, H is silent after a C in chemistry, mechanic and school. Very good. So, thank you for watching Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar, and I hope to see you again very soon in our next series of lessons of silent letters only, because it is a very, very important lesson. So, don't miss out. Thank you.